The small, sports luxury sedan arrives in showrooms in the summer as a 2019 model, and we got our first look up close on Wednesday at the local debut, which took place at the 2018 New York Auto Show. The segment is a tough nut to crack, but the G70 has a lot going for it. It takes everything Genesis has learned with the larger G80 and G90 sedans and improves upon it. And there's a 6-speed manual on offer for purists. Buyers in the US will be able to choose from either a 252 horsepower 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 or a 365 horsepower 3.3-liter twin turbocharged V6. An 8-speed automatic with paddle shifters is offered on both, though the aforementioned 6-speed manual is only offered on the 2.0-liter mill. The same engines are found in the Kia Stinger, which is a close relative of the G70. Drive is the rear wheels as standard, but all-wheel drive is available. The V6-equipped Model A with rear-wheel drive is the quickest of the bunch, with Genesis quoting a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 4.5 seconds. That makes the G70 quicker than the Stinger, though the Kia is the bigger car here. The G70 measures 184.5 inches in length, or roughly 6.0 less than the Stinger.